Nasdaq100 and Dow Jones so far has been trading bearish for the day. We have seen a good drop here in US30 and US100. Now what to expect with the US session? Can we buy from here or should we go short, and if yes, at what levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon before leaving the video. Also press the like button before leaving the video. You can also remain updated with the daily updates on market by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till Tech 100 on the hourly charts. If you look at, after consolidating here for a while, yes, yesterday was a holiday or markets are closed. However, we have seen it trading sideways and now it is given a breakout. Now remember, as we discussed in the Asia session update, 15100 and 15050, 15030, these are the two stronger support levels for Tech 100. And yes, that is the point below which only little bearishness can be expected, but still I will recommend you to be careful till 14900 level, which is the very strong support levels, and yes, it is little far away too. Now if you look at the hourly chart, see higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. Hence you can buy at 15160. However, be careful of 180 200, only about 200, and in fact 220 you can say that little bullishness will be seen, beyond which you can expect 240. Till 250 there is no chance of reversal. Beyond 250 only confirmation of a rise exists, and hence if you are trading or taking a trade at 15160, you have to just put a 20 points trailing stop loss. That's it. Till 15250 you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss. Beyond 15150 or 250 only further bullishness will be seen. Now see this. Right now it is trying to reverse. Possibly it can try to retrace a little, but there is a crossover here between the 20 and 50 period. This is a bearish cross. The stochastic was oversold. It is trying to retrace. MACD has seen a good drop here. Now it can try to converge crossover, while RSI is already at bottom on the hourly charts. Coming to the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, look at previous two candles. See first of all a big drop. Then see the prices failed to stay lower. Also it was trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it has got a pullback. Lower highs are seen, and hence 15160 is a good level for us to take an entry. However, there are very strong resistances at every 20 points till 15240 250 levels, and hence you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss there. At the same time, a sell entry below 15100 should be a safer entry, but there are supports there, and I'll tell you why. Now see, stochastic was oversold. It is trying to recover. MACD is bearish. RSI looking downwards, trying to trade with a bearish bias. Look at 3-hour charts. Now see, on the 3-hour charts we had discussed in the morning. See, this is a Bollinger Bands have narrowed, and whichever direction it is, it gives a move. It tries to expand the bandwidth, and that is why we can see more bearishness. Also, both the candles traded outside Bollinger Bands got a pullback. This candle has opened below, may try to trade bearish here, can try to move till towards 15100 and 15050 levels, which is a very good support. A stochastic flat, MACD bearish, RSI flat, but it is trading with a negative slope. Coming to the 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour charts. See, previous candle was a indecision candle. It has opened below, and even if it tries to trade bullishly at max 15180 or 200, it will try to. Only and only if it trades above 15200 and 220, we can say that the bulls are back. Else we can, every rise till here potentially we can show a pullback, and we can see it trading with a bearish bias on the downside. How far? 15080, 15050 cannot be denied. See the divergence of the price on the moving average. Now the moving average is also trading with extreme divergence, and also this gives an observation that 15050 can be achieved here. Stochastic at bottom. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is almost flat. And on the daily charts, now look at daily charts. See, after giving slight, you can say positive move for a couple of days, it has now given a breakout. And also this could be first breakout candle. We can see a second or subsequent candle, but also one must note, see what it has done, a rise, retracement, rise, double top almost, and now trying to retrace here. This is the zone where we are going to look at. If it continues to drop below 14900, almost we can say that 14700 levels can again be expected. And remember, as we discussed, 14600 is the strongest support below which only further bearishness is to be seen. Now, if you look at the daily charts, you will also observe the divergence on the moving average, and hence from here, potentially, if it breaks on the downside, then only further bearishness to be seen. And if you look at a stochastic, this is overbought, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 15,100. Rather, 15,100 is a good safe sell entry, below which you can expect 15,050, 15,000 as a very good support. Till 14,900, very good support, strong support exists. We can see a pullback here. Below 14,900, only further bearishness to be seen there, and then you can stay short for the rest of the week for 14,800, 14,700 levels. On the upside, a buying entry at 15,160. However, just put a 20 points trailing stop loss and be cautious and alert till 15,250, as it can reverse any point of time. Rather, those who wants to possibly take a sell entry can try the opportunity at 15,240, 250 levels, where it can try to reverse. However, be very alert and cautious. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 10th of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Look, US30 on the hourly charts, consistently increasing bearish candles. Support is seen as 34,250. Below that only further. Now see, 34,200 is an ultimate support here. Below that, you can say that it will try to complete the building till towards 34,100 levels. If not today, possibly by tomorrow. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish, RSI is oversold on the 2-hour charts as well, and hence a possible pullback from 34,250, 240 can be expected. Also on the 2-hour charts, consistent red candles. Now see, the rise here and the drop here is unequal. You can see the candle size is smaller here. Support is seen as 34,100, which is very good support. Stochastic is oversold, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is looking downwards and trading at bottom. And on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation, and hence I will only recommend you now to sell here at 34,240, but then 200, 140, 100, very strong support till here. It can complete the journey till toward these levels. Then below that only further bearishness to prevail. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking down. And on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. 2 increasing body size, 2 increasingly bearish candle, third candle about to start, but this candle is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence possibly it can try to stress the drop for a while till 34,200, then show a pullback and might trade within the range. Remember, till 34,400 should not be treated as bullish. Only above 34,400, little more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. MACD is divergent and bearish, looking downwards. RSI is also bearish here. Coming to the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, we have seen this. Lower highs are already done for the day. Also lower lows are done. Possibly between 200 and 400, we have to remain extremely cautious for the day. Below 200 only further bearishness is going to prevail here. Stochastic is certainly overbought. MACD is in green, trying to converge here, and RSI is looking forward to a drop. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 34,240, where you can expect 34,200 as the maximum support, and buy here at 34,350, where 34,400, 420 as the maximum resistance. If it stays above 400, 420, more bullishness might take it for 500 levels. Beyond that, certainly sky is the limit on the upside. In between 240 and 350, stay cautious, trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Even on the downside, 34,100 is the strongest support here for the day. Below 34,100, more bearishness may prevail, taking it till towards 33,900 levels, which is the next strongest support. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.